almost having like a heart attack.
Ooh! Oh! I couldn't tell your feelings. They look like... They look like gigantic sparklers.
Well, you know what, on Christmas adverts, you can see all that shit still moving and like, it's kind of like that.
Yeah. Oh, they're sticky, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh, it's sticky, I like.
What would you if it spelled out your name? Like Rainwood on it.
They sound like it was Rainwood. No, they were hard at pistol. Didn't they? When the first girl found out Silent Pistol.
That sounds like something what Daniel would say.
Oh! It's red, doesn't it?
I don't like the ones that make it smell after. It's like... It smells like some started.
There's a smell in all of them. Oh, little one's going to say massive ones here.
I couldn't have these ones on my back garden. No. So I didn't get it.
You do these at lights, you know.
We were here, weren't you? So many people here, and you was only listening, you bloody wandered off into the crowd. I was like,
Is that why you're so worried about me now?
You know,
I didn't mean that one.
no, I know. He said that worried too much.
You do.
You know, when they do these, when the lights go on, they do that theme tune, you know, on bass track when they go...
Yeah.
No, they do that. And they go, that one where it goes...
Yeah, I think so.
If you know what I mean. No. No, good at lights in your face.
You know what's better.
Ooh! Did you eat your burger? Shook it away. Oh, nice.
I like the noise it does after.
Don't get this for it.
Don't stand there.
What's the matter? It's new. I'll pause it and then put it. You can't see it though! Pitch black! You see a light on it? I should sort of change the phone for a light on it. Yeah, carry on please. Ooh! Missile. I know. That's what you should do. Do missile. And it's like one of your cartoons to go ooh. Ooh. I'm just doing that. God, that's a big one. That's what I'll just do. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, look at that one. God, that's massive. Do it, Tanya. Not for me. Oh, it's up to my neck.
You just know, just keep getting further and further up.
I know, that's what I thought.
I like it to end up like on the right.
Come.
Oh, yeah.
Well, there you go.
I like it.
That's better, a bit further away. Oh!
Pew, pew.
Yeah.
Looks like they've got firing missiles. Like, pew, pew, pew. Cameron, looks like someone's having like gunfire.
Yeah, like all splitting off in different directions.
Is Mum and Dad going anywhere tonight, Cam?
No.
Not going out on a Saturday night, though. Yeah, we never go out either.
Mum, do you remember last time in Newcastle when you said you was going to go out and we like stayed at school and like yeah, and all you did was go to Tesco.
You know on those fireworks, right? I think they shouldn't have a wait like this. I think they should just do it continuously.
You need to stop someone there because
Isn't
that man right there? Sorry, isn't that man right there?
You have to do that.
I think the game is safe too. How long is it recording?
7 minutes.
Yeah. It's going to be long and on Facebook.
Yeah, no, everyone did it. What?
But they don't.
I didn't say that. Oh,
Yeah, but they go upwards to go that way, yeah.
I didn't like it.
Yeah, but the Taliban shoot you. Shoot you if they're dead anyway.
Why isn't that like a win? You ought to be on.
Oh, God.
So you have to let it sit. No. I have to let it sit. Overnight somehow.
There's more than that. What to do then? Put them up. There's the thing.
Mom, this is it, Canada.
It's more right.
The man's pretty cool.
Oh! Oi! I want to say this morning, but I know it's maybe containing this.
Yeah.
Right, like a flash photography.
What a
Really? Is that it now?
Oh, stop. Stop now. Yeah.
Yo, Pete, this is my new fam.
I've seen a light on you. Pitch black.
It wasn't 7 minutes, we'll do now.
Actually, it's on 9:37.
Yeah, there you go, back.
I know they do look like
minutes. I said that 10 minutes ago.
Well, yeah, you're right. Oh, yeah. 12 days before 12 days.
What next? Nothing.
12 days of Christmas. Oh, another pocket one.
Give me it.
Oh, God!
Oh, right, it's all. That's the hole. Just one up some part, included.
Oh, that's nice.
That was pretty nice. Yeah.
Oh, can't you tipping wheel or something up in air, mid-air?
That's like a massive long hole.
Do you like tipping wheels? I do. Oh,
Back there.
oh, I know. You know what else is nice? When it's like just on the ground, it's just like a fountain. Splitting out.
That's boring, like it's just right under it.
That's how far they're going. Someone yesterday that was really cold and walking to school, something like shop, with proper jogging t-shirt and shorts. Oh, and look at that trip thing. Is he frightened?
Yeah. Hit against the camera.
I like that though when I was a kid. Probably used all the battery up. But this not.
The battery.
I don't know.
Because you can see it from your window.
I
have a couple of things on them.
know. Living right next to him. Yeah, but if you can't staying, all you come here for is staying at some people.
Fire torpedoes.
Today this morning.
I know you said.
It took more than 2 days actually, I think.
Did you say only 1 day or something?
No, it said 2 days. 1 to 2 days it took. Well, I think it was about 2.5 to 3 from it. It actually came. Oh, God. Got backache. Bye, Room.
Yeah. Why do you just do it on the first?
I don't know. I'll go with him. I have to get the full capture. Oh, hey, oh. Oh! Oh, God!
that up high enough, you'll get it from one of them.
That was fun.
I put on a boot, like chuck it.
That'd be funny.
Yeah.
I'm actually alright. Very nice, and then a bit like go crazy, aren't they?
About that. What? Yeah, these are the family spots, but you can get some family with the spots and now we've got the stones.
Oh! I think I'm getting close to jewels, that's why I spend the neck. I know, all these are different.
Corey, are you going a bit bored?
You do it after a while.
Yeah. Hey? Like, you're excited because of the rides and stuff. You know. That's all the rides.
Yeah, but is everyone in here? I mean, it's a short space.
Yeah. No, wasn't it packed more?
Oh, so I'm going to do? I'm just going to do that.
Well, that will me take.
Oh! I'm just going to do that.
Ooh, ah!
Ooh, ah!
Oh, yeah, that madman. Oh, he did my head in.
What madman?
Yeah. When we went on that walk, the thing, Twister, whatever, there was that, yeah, this madman just went, whoa, that planet, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we just like, look at this.
God. Oh, they're net benders.
Ping.
Oh, my backache. I need to bend over.
Till it's like 4 days now.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh! Hang on. You make fun of it because don't go in your eyes. Like, oh, start don't go in your eyes. Oh, yeah.
So it's like drift off.
Hang on. They do them as quick as they can, don't they?
Yeah. I want to see the man who like lights them.
Yeah.
Mum.
Well,
I just said not close to bed, just the light up. So you just got dropping up from the head anyway.
Thumb chopped off. While you're doing it, like that American Dad with finger black.
Yeah, no. Good fun.
Well, she knew you had it after the hospital straight away. Oh, very nice. Oh, I know. Especially that one.
I like the ones dressed up like Mum. I like the lantern thing.
Oh!
I can't see what's going on in some stores.
Shiny band.
What?
Shiny
Yeah.
The band.
Oh, they what?
Oh my god, they look like
They landed in
3
Cowes
suns.
Field. Cowes Field.
We don't know. Yeah. At least you'll make